The best way to improve your English communication is to speak with people who are fluent in English. This is the best and most powerful method to improve your English communication. We develop our English language by observation and social interaction. So, to improve your English communication, you have to communicate with people who are fluent in English. But there is a problem with this method. And the problem is, people who are not fluent in English, they have the fear that people who are good in English, they will laugh at their broken English. And due to this fear, they don't speak at all and don't improve their communication. If you have the same problem, then watch this video. I will tell you how to deal with such situations when people laugh at your broken English. Watch this video, you will definitely make a change in you. This incident happened in my institute when one of my new students was trying to communicate, trying to speak in one of my sessions called group speaking sessions. In these sessions, we mix the old students and the new students together. Old students who have developed their language, they speak fluently and confidently. New students observe these old students and they also acquire the language by listening and by observation. This is the very powerful method. I was having such session one day and the incident happened. What exactly happened, you just see it and then you will realize what happened here. Good afternoon all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so this session is about group speaking session. As I have told you that if you want to communicate properly, fluently and confidently, you have to talk in a group first. First you have to speak. You have to speak without fear of making any mistakes. So in this session, you have to just introduce yourself first and then we will discuss on different topics. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's start.
Hello friends, my name is Atreya and I am student of law. Currently, I am studying at New Law College, Sangli. Talking about my goal, I want to become a naval officer. And for Navy, English is very important. So I came here to develop my English communication as well as to develop my soft skills. And talking about my family, in family we are 4 members. Me, my mother, my father and my grandmother. My father and mother both are government employees. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhanashri and I am studying in DKT College Itsalkaranji last year diploma in fashion technology. And in my family there we are 6 members including me, my grandmother, grandfather and my mom, dad and my little sister. So my long term goal is I want to become a merchandiser in a textile industry. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Salim and I come from Kautemakal. I'm pursuing civil engineering in PUPIT Engineering, Budhgao College. And my goal is I want to start my own business in building construction. And about my family, we are 4 members, me, my father, my mother and my sister. So thank you.
So good evening friends, my name is Shreya. I'm in Chintamata College of Commerce in 3rd year of BCom. I want to be a government employee in HR field. There are 3 members in my family, my mother, my father and me. My father is a businessman and my mother is housewife. That's from my side. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Shivam. I am studying electronics engineering in Walchand College of Engineering. My aim is to be an entrepreneur in an agro-based company. I feel that English is very important to develop a company. That's why I'm here. Talking about my family, my father is a government employee. He works in a fisheries department at Ratnagiri. And my mother is school teacher. She teaches to primary section.
Good morning. Good afternoon. My name is Sanket. I am student and I am bad English. I want good English.
Wait friends, I want to tell you something before going for the next session. See, especially senior students who laughed at Sanket, I want to tell you that laughing at anyone, criticizing anyone is very easy. You don't need any brain for that. Alright? It's very easy. Anyone can laugh at. But remember, making fun of someone, passing comments on someone, making someone feel inferior. It tells more about who you are, what kind of person you are, than the person whose fun you are making. So next time when you are making fun of someone, think that, put yourself in his shoes. When you joined this institute, you were also not good in English. You also spoke broken English. But someone helped you at that time. Your seniors helped you at that time, and they didn't laugh at you. That's the reason why you had the confidence and you developed your English. But today, when Sanket made a mistake, you all started making fun of him. And I want to say this to those who are from convent school, who have developed their English naturally, that see, you were very fortunate that you got admission into a convent school, your parents were doing very well. All are not that fortunate. All are not that lucky. So you should not be too vain, too proud about your English. You should correct that person's English. You should support that person rather than making fun of his English. So Sanket, especially for you, I want to say that what happens with you is not important. How you react to what happens to you is very important. See, you can't control people. They're going to laugh at you, make fun of your English. Now you have two choices. One choice is to, listen to them and quit. Second choice is there. Think in this way. They have laughed at my English, not me. It's my English that was wrong, not me. If you quit now, you will keep on quitting always. See, understand, you can't learn any language or anything in life without making any mistake. Let us take your walking. You learn walking by making mistakes. Everyone made a mistake. But if you hadn't made a mistake, you would not have learned walking. And if you had quit walking, you would not have been here today. So understand, you have to decide what you are going to do. You are going to stop because they laugh at you, or you are going to go ahead, grow, develop your English and be a confident speaker. It's entirely your choice. You have to decide what you are going to do. Is that clear?
Thank you, sir, for your motivation. I will not quit.
Sanket, I am sorry.
Sanket, I'm really sorry.
I think everyone must say sorry to him.
Sorry, Sanket, for our mistake.
It is okay, friends. Thank you for support.
So this is, friends, what you have to do when people laugh at your broken English. It is your choice whether to quit or to fight. People are going to laugh at you, make fun of you, criticize you. It can be English, it can be anything you do. But you have to decide whether you want to quit or follow your dreams. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.